Hello folks, this is Aitanansha from inspiredtorise.com, and if you are thinking of buying an iOS device these days, one of the best bet that you can get is an iPhone SE. It's still one of those compact devices which comes with iOS, still packs a lot of punch, but you can get it for cheap. If we talk about the whole experience of iOS in general, you know that it's very easy, very simple to use. There's not too much to think about it. You have the control center. If you swipe up from bottom in the iOS 11, if you swipe up from top, you get your lock screen, and almost every gesture, notifications, everything is very smooth, easy to use, simple to understand. And one of the best things about the iPhone SE is that it's rocking the internals of the iPhone 6s. So this device does come up with a good back camera and a good performing chipset, the A9 chip. So you can shoot videos up to 4K 30 FPS. You can still play a lot of modern games on this one. And if I talk about how much I had to spend to get the iPhone SE, it was a minimal amount, below 20k, and you can also get a 32GB version, a 64GB version, or a 128GB version of the iPhone SE. If you are still looking to buy a compact phone, which I was looking for in order to have something as a backup phone, and if you wanted to switch to iOS, but the high prices of the iPhone 10, 8 and 8 Plus were stopping you from making that plunge, you can go and easily buy the iPhone SE. You can get it second hand, you can buy a new one also. There are a lot of offers going on, and you can get a brand new device for as low as 15 or 16k. So that's the best part about it. And if I talk about few other things, the battery backup is definitely less if you are a very heavy user, but if you turn on the battery saver, reduce some of the animations, I can easily go through 2 days of usage with the iPhone SE. So that's one of the testimony to the fact that the battery drain on Apple on standby is very less. Apart from that, if you are in the market to buy a compact phone, there are no phones out there which offer the same performance with this small compact form factor, and almost every small phone out there is already outdated. One of the few phones out there compact is one by Sony, and that also does not offer this much of value and this much of performance in such a small form factor. So if you're somebody who has small hands, I don't have small hands, but if you're somebody who has small hands or who wants to use a compact phone, or if you're somebody who wants to use iOS for the first time, the iPhone SE can be a good place to start. And if I want to answer my question, which was, is the iPhone SE worth it in 2018? The answer to that is yes, it is definitely worth it in 2018 if you can manage with the poor selfie camera, which is definitely poor, not that great for taking selfies, just 1.2 megapixel camera. But if you're somebody who is going to use this smartphone as a backup phone or even as your daily driver, the experience won't be that much bad. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspire to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.